If you want to deactivate or close your Yahoo account, then this is how you're going to do it. So first step, you're going to head over to your favorite browser, and then from here, you're just going to search for deactivate Yahoo account. So I'm just going to click on it right here. And then once you search for it, you're going to choose this link that says close or reactivate your Yahoo account. So you're just going to click on that, and it will take you to this Yahoo page. Once you're in this page, you're just going to have to scroll down until you find this close your Yahoo account section. Now from here, you have all this necessary steps listed right here. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is to sign into your Yahoo account termination page. They have a dedicated page for account termination. And then for the second one, you're going to read the info on terminating your account, and then you're going to use the on-screen prompts to continue. So we're just going to have to follow all of these steps, starting with signing into the Yahoo account termination page. I'm just going to click on that. And then it will take us to the Yahoo account termination page wherein we just have to log in to our account. Now I'm just going to skip on this change password. And then from there, you're just going to scroll down until you find this button that says continue to delete my account. However, before you proceed with that, just make sure that you read all of these texts right here, because this one actually gives you all of the details that you need and all of the details that you need to know when you're deleting your account. Now, once you're done reading, you're just going to click on continue to delete my account. And then from there, you're just going to enter your email address right here. Now, once you have your email address listed, you're just going to click on yes, delete this account to proceed. And you're going to have to confirm this deletion. And that's it. Your account will now be deactivated. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, you can comment them down below.